here it is. This is the tasting of the Rich Creamy Velvet Milk Stout by Muntons Brewery. Or it's a flagship beer anyway. And I have to do this now because I've got to bottle my wine tomorrow, which is a video coming up in the next... it's the next video coming up. So right now, this is it. Nice and dark. Look at that. It came out really nice, to be honest. I didn't pour it rough, so I didn't get a creamy head. Probably should have done it to make it a bit more appealing, but it doesn't matter really. I just recently shared this with Patreon, and now it's your turn. Guys, if you're interested in finding out what this tastes like, stick around. Alright, this is the Rich Creamy Velvet Milk Stout by Muntons. I got this from Kegland, and it wasn't too dear actually, and now I've been on their website, I can't find it now, so I'd say they stopped producing or selling it. It doesn't matter, we can cope with that. Basically, you should be able to get it from elsewhere anyway. It looks really nice, check it out. Really dark, nice creamy head when you pour it properly. I haven't got it in a kegerator yet, but I will. And I'm getting, straight up, a chocolatey, coffee, nice stout scent. So it has got lactose in it, which I haven't worked with before, but today I am. Let's taste it. Oh my God, it's cold. Oh, geez, it's almost ice. Okay. It tastes like beer. Look, I think it might need a bit more aging. Looks alright, tastes alright. Give it another 2-3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks, to get that all to settle in properly and taste really nice. It's got a nice bitter taste to it. It has a nice scent to it anyway. It's soft on the tongue with a bit of bitterness and a sharpness on the tongue as well. It's awesome. It's really nice. It does need aging. I need to age this for a few months to get the real flavour through the whole beer. It's got a bitter tang to it, and it's also got what would you call it? A sweetness to it as well, so it's kind of bittersweet. I can taste the chocolate. Carbonation's spot on. This is just natural carbonation. I haven't added any, and I think I'll just leave it at that. It does have a lactic flavour on the tongue. I think that's what the bitter bite is on the tongue that I'm getting. I don't know how, I guess aging will fix that. It is quite a nice stout. Worth having a go, guys. It does have that little bit of, what would you call that, homebrew feel to it or taste to it, but it's very much quite appealing. I think it came down to about 4.3%, I'm not sure. As if you saw my video making this, I had really poor readings. The actual beginning or starting gravity was 1090 or something, 1099, which I'm pretty sure that's not correct. And when it finished fermenting, it was at 1033, but my pill stopped working from there on. It completely disconnected, and I haven't been able to get it to connect back up again, so I think it's faulty. So I come down, 6, yeah. I put it down to 1099 to 1033, let's say. It's about 6.3% alcohol volume. It does actually have that flavour to it. It's not boozy or anything like that, but it's very nice. I will age this. I will sit it around and try and keep it in the fridge for about a year, 6 months. And you can do that with this sort of beer because it's very, very deep, rich beer, and it can do that. And hopefully that will fix the flavouring in the actual beer as well. It's not bad though. You can drink it now and you can share it with your friends. It's really good. But I'm one of those people who would like to age their stout so that it can be more appealing later on. And that's what aging does. Just as an extra report on this video, I am heading to Gabs, Melbourne on the 21st. Taking a couple of friends with me. and some people are meeting us there, bringing some stickers, some Simple Homebrew stickers. Going to hand them out, give some people some stickers when you come along, say hi, and just acknowledge that I have a great audience out there. So if you're popping by and you see me there, just say hi, tap me on the shoulder, whatever you want to do. If you don't mind being on film, let me know. So other than that, I'm still working on the iGulu. The iGulu system is working quite well now. I've worked out the app, and we have premium mode running now. And I'm about to bottle my wine, which is another video coming up after this, which should be really appealing for some of the audience out there, because I've found that I'm getting a lot of views on my wine videos now. Some have about 5,000 views so far, and they're going really well. So that's the beer tasting for today. This is my Velvet Rich Creamy Stout by Muntons, and I am really rapt that I did that one. It's pretty good. It worked out right in the end anyway. Most beers do anyway for me. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you to my patrons for looking after the channel. The Patreonage is getting bigger and bigger all the time. Thank you very much. Much, much appreciated. And the Facebook group is huge. It's just phenomenal how big it's getting. So if you want to have a look at that, check it out. I will see you in the next brew. Cheers.